Hi everyone, my name is Mojali and I am excited to introduce myself to you all. I have noticed that many of you are struggling to understand logo designing course and I am here to help. I know how frustrating it can be to watch a video or read an article and still not understand the concept. That's why I have created in-depth tutorials on my YouTube channel where I break down each step in a clear and concise way. I'm passionate about helping others learn and grow, and I am committed to provide you with the best content possible. If you are struggling with the graphic design, so I encourage you to visit my channel and watch my videos. And if you find my content helpful, please let me know, like, comment, and follow me to show your support. Your feedback is invaluable and it helps me to continue creating content that meets your need. Thanks for watching and